Welcome to this video on CSI Crime Scene Investigation, focusing on how crimes are scientifically solved. I'm Dr. Anjani Kumar. What exactly is CSI? It is the scientific investigation of crime scenes, involving evidence collection and analysis, which ultimately helps solve crimes. The objectives of a crime scene investigation involve several key steps: secure the scene, collect evidence, identify suspects, and finally, present findings in court. Crime scenes can be categorized in different ways, including primary and secondary scenes, as well as indoor and outdoor locations. The core steps of a crime scene investigation include securing the scene, thorough documentation, careful evidence collection, and detailed laboratory analysis. Evidence found at crime scenes can be diverse. It includes physical evidence like weapons, biological evidence such as DNA and blood, and digital evidence like mobile data. Investigators utilize specialized tools, including fingerprint kits, cameras, UV lights, and various measuring tools to process a crime scene. The importance of CSI lies in its ability to solve crimes, provide essential scientific proof, and ensure justice is served. As a final thought, remember, science never lies, and evidence always speaks. Thank you for watching this video.